Somebody really wanted a big sink when we were building up the van.
It was me, okay? I admit it, but it is too big. It's a little too big, but it's a blessing and a curse.
We were able to get the van for around 22,000, and then we dumped 7,000 into it, do as much like recycling and like kind of watch like our carbon footprint of building out a van.
What's up, guys? I got Wyatt, I got Sammy. Sammy, right? Sammy?
Yes,
yeah,
got it.
We have your van, and you're going to do all the talking because I'm not mic'd up. So,
All right.
Wyatt and Sammy, take it away.
This is our van. Its name's Curtis. I don't even know how we came up with the name. Yeah, we've been living in it full time for the last 4 years, and we're here at the Van Expo, kind of showing what a budget build looks like. We actually built the whole entire thing in the school parking lot in college, and we used all repurposed materials going to the dump, burn pile, and a lot of Facebook Marketplace.
Well, you brought it up, so what does a budget build look like, cost-wise?
The last like 4 years, I think the price of things has changed a lot. More people want to be outside, and so we were able to get the van for around 22,000, and then we dumped 7,000 into it in terms of the build. And there's always like the bits and bobs like later on, $100 here, $100 there.
But you're all in, we'll say under 30.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
definitely.
Wow. And what is the year, make, model of the van?
It's a 2018 Ford Transit, 250 high top. I work full time as a PT in person.
Yeah.
That's a special degree, isn't it?
Yeah, so this helped, not having to pay for housing,
Okay.
and a little bit more affordable in terms of just living a more free lifestyle that we wanted, and then being able to afford school that was not cheap. So,
Sammy, you have a pretty rad job.
Yeah, I'm active duty right now, but I'm transitioning out of active duty, so
Are you going reserve or no?
I'll be in the Guard.
You're going to go to the Coast Guard?
Yeah, not Coast Guard,
Oh,
just
sorry.
National Guard.
National Guard.
Yeah,
You're going to the National Guard?
yeah.
Holy Christmas. That's some real deal right there. And you guys did, how long did it take you to do the build?
it was like a livable state maybe after like a year and a half, but it was mainly weekends. Once we got back to school, it was, working jobs on campus to be able to pay for things.
Shutdown period, that's where you guys were building it? At the school? In the parking
Yeah,
lot?
we were like the very first part of just like the floor and insulation and some wiring was at her parents' house.
Okay.
And they were gracious to house us and stuff for that.
In
And
North
then-
Dakota.
What's that?
In North Dakota.
In
Can
North
you believe
Dakota?
it?
Yeah, so we had
That's where
to,
you're from?
Yes.
yeah,
Sorry.
we had to insulate everything, planning on like those negative 20 temps, which
Really?
we've actually been in like cold temps like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
negative 25 sustained.
Okay.
And
Are you from
Curtis
Fargo?
pulls through. I'm from, believe it or not, 4 hours northwest of Fargo, so about 2 minutes from Canada.
And you're from originally?
Northern Minnesota, right on the Canadian border. So,
So you
we're
guys
both.
know what cold is like.
Oh
Yeah. The town I grew up in is called the Ice Box of the Nation because it has like the lowest average temps.
Well, yeah, walk me through the van. I'd love to see. It looks like you actually have the whole front cab blocked off.
Yeah, we have a whole partition wall, which we actually really enjoy. It kind of separates being full time. Like you don't feel like you're living in a vehicle, so we don't have to see the steering wheel and the driver's seat and all the like stuff. And then it really traps in a lot of the heat in terms of like the colder winters. So we're not trying to heat up like a front of the van that's not really designed to, have the heat turned off up there.
Excellent.
And then the summers in like the Sacramento area where we've been, it blocks out so much heat. So you have essentially like a 4-foot air gap of your window insulation plus the insulation of that partition wall. And you park with the sun like on the nose of the van, and it could be like 100 degrees outside, and it doesn't start actually heating up the inside of the van until like 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
Do you mind one of us steps in or we step in together?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on in.
Intentionally do not step in until just now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really like it.
Well, that means a lot. Wyatt put a lot of actual blood, sweat, and swear words into this build.
I got a little bit of
So-
light flicker. Is there a way to turn the lights all the way up?
Yeah. There you go.
If they're all the way up, it'll,
Yeah.
Is that better?
That's great.
Sweet. So yeah, this cedar roof here, we got from the dump. Believe it or not, people throw crazy stuff away.
Did you burn it?
Yeah, we torched it to
Okay.
give that kind of, there's like a Japanese style of like wood.
Yeah, the
wood
Shishuki
burn.
bomb
Yeah.
style. Yeah.
For
So
sure.
you did your homework there.
And then this wood was taken from alleyways, just from a town nearby us. People were getting rid of stuff by the dumpsters, literally.
Were those handles also repurposed?
I actually made them.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, from leather and some thread.
Okay.
We keep all our clothes up here. All of our clothes we own. All of our food goes in here. Both of these cabinets.
Now, I want to, can you open one? So, hey, open this one. 'Cause
Yeah,
I want to see how
of
you guys did that. That's really cool. So you have a backer board and you just You just nailed it all to it.
Yeah, and it's all just 2x2 framing with 1/4 inch. Besides we tried 1/4 inch on the back panel, and it just started kind of warping with the heat. So the 1/2 inch, I think it's technically like 3/8 ply. Yeah.
Yeah,
but it's a great look to it.
Thank you. Shout out to my parents who helped us with these two facings. Actually, when we told them we were gonna build out a van and live in it, they were like, "What? No way!"
Now you've been here 4 years.
Yeah, 4 years
Saving
full time.
a lot on full time, 4
Yeah.
years, saving a lot on rent.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Saving up for another van.
Saving for another van.
Yeah.
We're gonna go bigger.
Yeah. Bigger. We're hoping to start a family in a couple years, so
Okay.
we'll need to get a little bigger of a place.
Full-time bed.
Full-size bed, which can actually push back into a couch.
Okay.
So when you open this table up, it can you can feed 4 to 6 people
Oh, yeah, 'cause
at
it's
the
a good
dinner
vibe. Okay,
table.
that's what you're saying. That's a really cool
Game
design.
nights,
Where'd you
stuff
get that
like
idea
that.
from?
Originally, we had like a 500-pound drawer slide system, but if it wasn't like perfectly level, or if like there was like any type of like weight adjustment on it, then you're just like kind of slamming your body into it to try to push it back, or you'd have to open up the back doors just to like flip the mattress up. So we actually used ATV ramps as like the bed framing. So there's a lot of companies that have similar style like framing,
Yeah.
and then we just put the mattress on top. So it has like 3 hinges. It can fold up. So it's a fixed bed, but I can fully remove it and take it out if I wanted to. But it's rated up to like 600 pounds. Meant for 4-wheelers and ATVs to drive on.
And we're in a Ford Transit, so it's pretty narrow. So I see you guys just you didn't put bump outs in, you just
No.
went into the cavity.
Yeah, and just 1/4 inch insulation on that part.
Okay.
But
But it hasn't been an issue.
even
No,
like in the cold, like
6'2" across.
6'2" across.
Yeah, 6'2" across. So Wyatt's 6 foot even. I'm 5'6", and we fit pretty well. If I could change one thing, I would have gotten the flares.
Okay, really?
So, yeah,
Interesting.
just for some extra foot room.
Yeah, sure, why not?
yeah.
But speaking of foot room,
Okay.
our shoes
There's
are
all
right
your
there.
shoe storage, is that?
Yep.
So you have a little bump up down here.
Yep. And
Now,
then
Wyatt, can you stand here comfortably and not
Oh,
hit the ceiling?
I have friends that are like 6'8", so I still have plenty of room where
Yeah.
I could wear like a top hat and still have enough headroom.
Now, this is a small van for the two of you full time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just overly impressed. A beautiful table, by the way. Who did the
Thanks.
etching?
just a laser cutter.
Oh, nice.
So we just found a picture online, two people adventuring together. And
Yeah.
And I wanted to actually show this off as well. Did you guys do the lightning thing?
we paid a local artist
Oh, you
to
did?
do that. So
Yeah.
It's very dangerous.
yeah, they electrify
yeah.
the wood and they put the resin in. He does a great job. We got him he's off Chuck Yeager Road near Beale Air Force Base.
So you
He did a
guys,
great job.
you guys splurged on some money where money needed to be spent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some art. You gotta
Some
make
art.
it beautiful.
Absolutely, I love this.
We got a big fridge and freezer here with magnetic locks. So
So you just unlocked it for us.
yeah.
That is a big. It looks like a winter. Is that right?
It's an ice co.
Ice go.
Yeah.
So I can meal prep breakfast, lunch, and supper for me and Wyatt for a whole week, and
That's
that's
that
just
Midwest right there, supper.
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh my goodness, we say supper on the northeast as well.
Our cooktop pulls out if you wanna.
Yeah, I'd love to see it.
So
Mind me,
it
right?
pulls out just like that.
Oh, so as it stays here,
Yeah.
It is mobile. You could take it out and like cook in the back.
if you need to.
Yeah, if it's like bacon or something that you don't want to stink up your van.
I also noticed this is like one of the biggest sinks in a van I've seen.
Yeah.
It is a
Why
big
do we
old-
have such a big sink?
Somebody really wanted a big sink when we were building up the van, especially like being able to meal prep and cook in the space when you're full time and not having to.
Me. It was me, okay? I admit it, but it is too big. It's a little too big, but it's
One
a
of my-
blessing and a curse.
And anyone who's lived in a van for even like a week-long trip, you're not wanting to do dishes every single night.
Yeah.
And with the cover that can cover up the whole sink, you also have like good meal prep counter space.
Yeah.
And then you don't have to look at your dishes. So it can double as a cutting board and stuff too. But
I know we have electrical somewhere in here. We're gonna get to the back as well because you have a lot of stuff in the back. If you guys are living full time out of this, but what is your electrical system?
we have a total of 412 amp hours of battery, all lithium. Like that's like 5,000 watt hours.
Yeah.
So we haven't had much issues. We have 460 watts of solar on the roof, and we went with no roof rack. One just for the simplicity of it, and then also because we were going more budget friendly. It's like, you can always add a roof rack on later if you need to.
You can add a roof rack, you can add air conditioner, but
Yeah.
you guys have heat. I see the Wabasto right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So there's the vent. I'm
That thing
assuming.
rips.
Yeah,
It rips.
I was
Yeah.
not,
Okay.
I like with the other like diesel heaters on the market, one we wanted it to run off the gas tank. It's a normal, just regular gas vehicle. So I didn't want to have a separate diesel tank. And when you're burning gasoline as your heat source, we were not comfortable with like a cheaper version. So that was probably the other thing that took up a lot of our budget.
So the heater was a bigger, like higher into the budget. So was the electrical system. You said you
Yeah.
didn't want to skimp on that.
We wanted to really try to do as much like recycling and like kind of watch like our carbon footprint of building out a van, and be as eco-friendly as we could. So kind
Did a good
of it's like
job.
a way of like
Thank you
recycling
so
in
much.
itself as well.
I noticed the 2 fans, instead of having an air conditioner, you have a good in and out flow.
I mean, we're being real, right? So,
Yes.
about a month out of the year. Well, this summer we've been very grateful. It's been cooler. It's been a little cooler.
been
So
nice.
we only had a few days where we had to sleep with frozen water bottles. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Throw some frozen water bottles and some socks, and that's how you
And so you
hold them
throw
close.
that into bed with you, and that's how you
Hold
stay
'em.
cool. Oh, you
Yeah.
hold them. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a hack. I
But
didn't
we
know
actually
about
we do have a portable AC unit, which
You
is like
do?
the EcoFlow.
this. Yeah.
And we'll take the hose, and instead of trying to cool off the entire space, which after we've been at work all day, it's hard to actually truly cool it down. We'll just take the hose and either have it just directly on us if we're, cooking or something, having that cool air on us. And then when it's time to go to bed, we just take the hose and put it underneath the blanket. It's like one of those like kids blanket forts
yeah.
with like a fan, and it just cools off that area to like 50 degrees. So it could be 110 outside, and you're just like taking a nap with 50-degree temperature.
Is there a space in here? You don't have to show it because you guys are full time. Is there a toilet space in there?
Yeah,
Oh, of
it's right
course.
under this bench seat.
Right here, take a look.
You got,
This
is
is our
that the airhead
bathroom.
or is it the nature's head?
This is a
Nature's Head.
nature's head.
Excellent.
We love it. It was well worth the money. And
That
then
was
we just
another thing
have,
you splurged on money. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course.
Yeah, you
It's,
had
it's
to.
not easy
Um,
to want to spend almost $1,000 on a toilet.
It's, at the end of the day, you're like, crap.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no,
but-
no pun intended, crap.
But
right?
also, like, do you want to deal with the risk of like that being in your living space? Like when you're full time,
No.
you do not want to be messing with sewage, essentially.
No.
Yeah. Now, would you continue doing the compost, or would you want to do like a dry flush, or maybe something else out there that we maybe not even seen?
I've been happy with the composting toilet. I do know that there's a lot of companies making smaller sizes.
Sure.
Um,
Torlino
so,
makes a small
yeah.
one, yeah.
We've
And-
also been really spoiled though. We have, access to a gym
Yeah, I was
24
gonna
hours
say,
a day where
there's
we
no
can
shower,
shower.
right?
Well, you can shower.
yeah, either outdoor shower or such a big
problem.
sink. It's easy to just like wash your hair in the sink, and then we have a collapsible wash bin that we put on the floor, and
If you
just like
need
catches all the water to like wash off your body.
I don't have to worry about the washing of hair. I don't have any. So you have hair, Wyatt, obviously.
For now.
And so do you.
Yeah, the gym. It's
the
great.
gym is where it's at. Planet Fitness, I assume.
Just on base. You can hop to like if we usually don't go to different air bases or marine bases in California or naval bases, but we have access if we need it.
Am I allowed to say this? Or maybe I can't, then we'll cut it out. But
Sure.
are you allowed to park on base?
Yeah, you can say that. There's fam camps on base.
Oh, there are?
There are campgrounds for veterans access
And are you guys
active
parked there?
duty. During the week, a couple days out of the week, we'll park there.
Oh, no way.
Just because obviously my job.
Easier
and
for work,
then-
yeah.
I only work 4 days out of the week. I work 4 10s, so then I get a long weekend,
Oh,
do
nice.
more adventuring, and so
Yeah.
When are you transferring? When are you moving, rotating?
We will probably rotate in September of next year.
Awesome.
So I'll get out early June.
Oh,
So
okay.
and then
yeah. I've been throwing around the idea of possible like content creation more.
Well, there you go. Well, what's your handle? How can we find you?
yeah.
We're mainly on Instagram as cargo_Curtis. But,
Cargo_Curtis.
yeah.
Curtis is the van. Cargo because it's a van.
Yeah,
Cargo van.
started as a cargo van. So.
Cargo_Curtis. All right. Well, did I miss anything in here before we show them the back?
Can I show you one more thing?
Yeah,
It's
well,
just
show me everything. Yes.
if you wouldn't mind standing over
I don't
here.
want to know.
So yeah, something kind of special. We have people sign
Oh.
here and also under here. different spots in our van, people who mean a lot to us. So
Oh wow.
we've had people we've gone on adventures with in the van. I've had girls trips in here with 3 of us in that bed, you know, Wyatt up front.
Yeah.
Did you sleep like across up front?
Yeah, so I can fit, you know, not for like 2 nights,
Yeah.
or like, and then also the area where you're standing, we call it like a child's like bed. So we can,
here?
the floor panel can remove and go across,
Yeah.
similar just like how most people's convertible
So you
beds.
put like 2 in the bed, 1 here, 1 up there.
Yeah.
Why not?
I've had 3 in the bed.
Have you?
you
There
know.
you go. Why not?
3, me and my 2
Sardine.
best girlfriends. So, but yeah, we have special people sign, a colonel who meant a lot to me, you know, just people who mean a lot to us. So it's kind of special.
That's freaking awesome.
And just a heck of a lot of storage up here, like way more than you think. All of our cold weather gear, all of our work clothes.
Open the
you
one.
know.
She can't even reach all of the storage.
They're going all the way back. Wow.
So another reason for the bulkhead is it supports the.
Did you put
the
that
gear.
shelf in, or was that shelf?
No, we built it. So we
Okay.
built it in kind of like a trapezoid shape. So that when you have the pass through, it's higher there versus like this cabinet. It sits a lot lower.
Oh, I see. I see.
So we have more storage on the side, and then same on that side. A lot
you
of
so
lot of
much.
YouTube videos of
Yeah.
planning out our build, and we've been happy with our build layout. And when we do make another van, it'll probably be similar layout but with more seating.
So are you
like
doing
official
just
seats.
the Instagram, or are you trying to also do YouTube as well?
YouTube maybe someday, but
Yeah.
it'll be the same handle as Instagram. So
I see the Curtis license plate art that you made. That's really cute.
Yeah, well, I got that for me for Christmas.
Oh.
So.
I see
Very cute.
Colorado. Let me try and get all these.
Yeah.
Colorado. There's a Minnesota. I don't know the Buffalo one.
It's North
Is that
Dakota.
North Dakota?
So yeah, I'm from North Dakota. He's from Minnesota, and Curtis we got from a dealership in Colorado. So,
Oh, that's what. Okay.
Yeah.
That's freaking cool.
yeah,
so this is our Instagram right here.
Cargo Curtis. I like it.
And actually,
Did you get a tattoo? Oh, you have a
a
shirt.
tattoo.
Yeah. Hey, I know people that have done it. So
Yeah.
Sure.
I would love to see
Thank you
that.
for coming in.
Yeah. Thank you for having me. You guys did a great job.
yeah. You gotta be able to fit all your stuff in it. So all the tools we utilizing like the Milwaukee Pack Out, super robust, solid system. I don't think I've gotten rid of like any tools that I built the van out. So if something does break, then I have all the tools. And we keep some like hiking gear in these. Really like the filing cabinet system for all the gear. We tried like the plastic, Walmart type shelving, and it's just not going to last. So
Yeah, why not just throw in a file cabinet?
yeah, and then because of like the way the pack out system's relatively narrow, we have the drawer slides too. So in order to get to the actual camping gear, we can take out the entire thing, and then I can have access to all the other stuff, and
That's awesome.
not have to like take out tons of heavy stuff just to get to 1 or 2 items.
Well, guys, one more time where we can find you, and not like literally, but on the internet.
Yeah, we're Cargo Curtis, Cargo_Curtis on Instagram. Come follow us, check us out.
Yeah,
Check you guys out. Are you doing anything else? You're going to do another van in the future? You may,
yeah,
or
yep, in the future.
That's what you
Definitely.
that's what you're gearing towards.
Yeah,
I love it, guys. Give them a follow, guys. They're my new friends. Yay.
yeah.
Thanks.